Hi everyone, my name is Maggie. I am the owner of Organizing CU, a professional organizing company based in Champaign-Urbana, Illinois. A professional organizer is someone who's going to help you create and maintain organizational systems within your home. That can mean places like your garage, your kitchen, your closet. Pretty much anywhere that you struggle to keep organized is a place I'm going to be able to help you with. I started Organizing CU at the busiest time of my life, right after I became a mom. I thought I was going to become less organized, but it turned out the opposite happened. And it was at that time that I realized I truly have a gift of organization, and I want to help you get organized too. When you do get organized, you're going to have less stress in your life, and you're going to have more time for both yourself and your family. And if you're ready to get organized, click the contact button on the website here to set up your free consultation, and I look forward to hearing from you.